Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I will discuss how to fix keyboard not typing issue on Windows 10. Try the keyboard on another computer. Check if the keyboard is connected correctly. Plug the keyboard to another USB port. Check keyboard batteries and wireless adapter. Click Start button. Find Windows System. Click Windows System. Click Control Panel. Click Ease of Access.
Always scan this section.
Click Make the keyboard easier to use. If you see Turn on Filter key is selected, unselect it. Click on Apply and OK.
Always scan this section.
Thanks for watching.